Hey guys, so today I'm going to try and fix the broken plastic posts in the PowerBook 100 series by melting the plastic bits. So this one here is partially broken, so this is a great way to start because I don't have to build the thing back together. So I'm just gonna pick up a pair of pliers and my hot air gun, which is set to 330 degrees Celsius, and let's try. So unfortunately I have my iPhone in the way, so that might be a bit of an issue. So I'm gonna try and melt the plastic right there. So like so. Yeah, it's now holding. So that's pretty good. So I'll do the same thing on the other sides. So I'll just very gently heat up, and so it will hopefully melt again. So I'll just gently run it around. And there we go. So let me just push it down. Also looks like this plastic, this metal bit here just got a bit loose. Okay, so probably just because I heated it up, but it's pretty stable now. So that's pretty good. So it went pretty well for the first try. So hopefully it won't break again. Probably need a bit more heat around here because I can still see the seam, but I don't really want to melt it too much, and seems really stable right now, so I really don't really want to disturb it. And I actually want to shift my focus to another one, which is this one here, I think. Yeah, it's getting loose on this side. We also have a couple of broken ones. This thing is not as bad of a shape as all the other ones that I usually repair. So yeah, this thing just needs a very light touch. So let's try that. Okay, so yeah, of course, as I'm heating the metal, it let's see if I can up the temperature a little bit. See if that helps. So I don't want to get it too hot. I just want to get it like hot enough for it to melt, but I won't go too much over it. So yeah, that's pretty good. We'll just wait a couple of seconds for it to set. So now it doesn't move too much anymore. Great. So that is working beautifully, actually. So now it's time to deal with the two broken ones. So where are they? Here they are. So I need to find an intelligent way to arrange the camera. That's too close. Oh, come on. So let me fiddle with this for a while. I'll be back. Alright, so it's right in front of my hands, so I probably won't be able to see what I'm doing. So that will help. So these are the two plastic pieces. We'll start with the big one first, because I first need to see where it went, and I think it's like this. That seems to be matching pretty nicely, actually. Yeah, that's pretty good. I like that. So I'll probably fix it right here, and let me actually try and put a screw in, so to not push directly on the plastic. So let's try that. Okay, just pick up my pair of pliers. Come on. So it's really hard to do it with a camera in front of your hands, and this thing is also a tricky process as it is, so that really doesn't help at all. Okay, so I just got it in place. So just pick up the hair gun and start melting it. It is shifting quite a bit too much. Okay, I think it's probably too hot. Whoops! I bumped into the camera. I'm sorry, but I unfortunately cannot. I don't have another hand to fix it. So actually, let's see. Okay. Oh no! Fuck! Well, that I made a huge mess. Whoops. So let's see if we can get this back straight. Get it slightly further back. So okay. So the idea of using a screw is a terrible idea. So we discovered that. But we also have this little metal thing in the way. There we go. It's pretty much useless because I don't have the pin anymore, so won't be doing too much with it. And now that is looking a lot better actually. Oh damn it, I bumped it again, sorry. It's already kind of hard to do it because it's really a tight spot, and it's my first time doing it in front of a camera, so I'm sorry. But yeah, this is melting pretty nicely actually, so you just cannot see the seam anymore. So that's exactly what I wanted. So I'll just leave it there. Yeah, that's pretty good actually. Does look pretty good. So I will I'll rotate it and start doing this little piece here. So I'll probably make a video when I'm done, since recording while working on it is pretty painful. Alright, so here's the result for the first experiment, and it actually turned out reasonably good. I've got a bit too much carried over with this one here, so it's a bit bubbly, but the little brass thing is in. It's in pretty tight, so that's good. And this one here actually came out pretty nice. Again, too much heat on this side here. As you can see, they just bubble up if you heat them too much. But on this side here is actually it's actually perfect. It's great. So I'll probably just finish it off a little bit more. So hopefully I won't make more damage. But that's actually I wouldn't say a perfect success, but it's pretty good. Also, I didn't damage the back, which I was also pretty afraid of. So yeah, it might need some refinement, but as a first test, I think it's a pass. Thanks for watching.